Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. Now on this one, I'm just gonna show you guys my new badges that I got from American Brothers Designs, and my new license plate frame from Hot Frames. It's all great quality work, and to me, it all looks amazing. And I can't wait to throw this on Raven, because she definitely needs some new badges instead of the regular silver. I'm going with the color purple, as you guys know. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Here we go. We got the frame from Hot Frames. As you can see, it's the color purple. There's the Hellcat right there. It's a great looking frame. Can't wait to throw that on right now. Still got the frame from the dealership, and that is a no-go. Nobody wants to ride around like that, so I'd rather have the SRT with the Hellcat. All right, then moving over to the Hellcat badges. As you can see, these are the side badges. Still has a plastic on there, so it looks kind of weird. But it's plumb crazy. It's gonna look real good on the car. Moving down to the grill badge. As you see, SRT with the Hellcat. And now this one right here is for the trunk. Got the SRT in black. Got the cat, plumb crazy. Like I said, the whole theme of the car is from the Ravens, you know, the football team. You know, I'm originally from Baltimore, born and raised, joined the military, been all around the world. Decided to settle in Washington. But now that I got this black car, I'm gonna go ahead and represent for my hometown, you know, with the whole black and purple theme. And this is just the beginning. Like I said, this is just the outside of some of the badges. I'm gonna be changing a lot of things as far as the speedometers and everything. That's gonna be in purple. I'm just gonna do a lot of things purple themed on the car. Probably get some custom stitching in the headrest. Don't know what it's gonna say yet, but it's gonna be in purple stitching. I wish I could get purple seat belts. That would be dope. But I'm just working on different ideas of what I can do to the car to change some of the things to the purple colorway. I'm just gonna wrap this one up, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys the new frame, the new badges that'll be going on the vehicle. It should be going on here sometime soon, within the next couple days. So until the next time, remember, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the new content. Peace.